Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is so exciting because we are going to be unboxing the Telfar medium shopping bag and styling her, and I'm so excited! There's been a lot of controversy around the Telfar shopping bag recently with guests ripping it off. We can dive into that a little bit later, but before we get into all that, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button. Red button says subscribe. I'm gonna need you to hit it. We have a lot of fun here on my channel doing makeup, food, fashion, lifestyle, anything you could ever want. And if you enjoyed this particular video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Both of those things would really help me out, and I would really appreciate it. So let's get on to this unboxing. Here she is. So the Telfar is one of those things that is, they do it in drops. So when the color and size you want drops, you have to get it like right there and there because it does not stay in stock. So I went after the medium white drop, and it was very intense, very nerve-wracking, but I got her and I'm so excited. I've been wanting a Telfar for like a few months now, and I can't believe it's actually happening. So let's open her up, and while we're opening her up, let's discuss the guest drama. So a couple of days ago, Guess announced or released this new bag, and it literally looks exactly the same as the Telfar bag. The owner of Telfar said he was aware of it, but like didn't want to press charges because that's very costly, and like people who know Telfar know that it's not actually about the product, it's about the community, it's about supporting Black creators, it's about the meaning behind the bag instead of the actual bag, and that's what the owner said and why he didn't press charges. But the social media community came together and called Guess out on just ripping off a Black creative, and they now have taken that bag off the market, so that is a good ending to the story. Okay, so comes like this in a nice dust bag with a plastic wrap around it. Oh my god, I'm so excited! So it's a little zipper bag. Oh my god, I'm so excited to open it up because I've been waiting so long for it. Has a really nice drawstring on the dust bag. Okay. Oh my god. This is a perfect size bag. Oh my god, it's so cute. The straps come wrapped up like this. There are two sets of straps. Oh my god. I am so obsessed. Okay, let's look at the inside together. Okay, so this is what the inside looks like. It has a magnetic clasp, like kind of a canvasy inside. So cute, love the label in there. And it has a internal zipper pocket for your whatever you want. And this is the perfect size. I have a MacBook Air, so this is going to be like amazing to carry it around in. So I decided to get the white because it's gonna go with everything, and I wear a lot of color. Today I'm not because I wanted to do these lashes, but I usually wear a lot of color and a lot of like pastels, so I thought the white would go better with that sort of vibe than the black or another neutral. And I definitely have my eye on the colorful ones, like the pink or the blue or the yellow, but I wanted my first one to be a neutral that I could wear like with everything. So I went with the white. I can't believe I actually have it. Okay, so now I want to put on like a few different cool outfits and style up the Telfar bag for you guys to show just how versatile she is and how I'm going to style it in the future. Okay, today we're going into the office. We're having a nice, colorful, pink purple moment. Oh, we got our Telfar. Oh, we're chic, we're a businesswoman, we're ready to work. We're fun, but we're serious. We're fun, but we're serious. I have my laptop, I have my wallet, I have my snacks, I have everything. Okay, here we are in our cute purple, in our cute polka dot maxi dress. We're doing our thing. We're going to church. We're being godly people, but not without the Telfar. But not without the Telfar. Ah, this one is so cute. Got a blast. Or you can tuck the straps in. And here we're just casual. We are going to the gas station. We're getting our groceries. We're buying eggs, we're buying milk. So cute. It elevates the outfit. Elevates it. I am so happy with my purchase. Even though it's vegan leather, it's nice quality. It doesn't look cheap. It doesn't look like cheap leather. It doesn't feel cheap either. I'm so excited to introduce her to the world. So that was my review and styling of the Telfar shopping bag. Again, this is the medium and I got the color white and it retails for $202. And I know that can be a lot, but for like a luxury designer bag, it's pretty reasonable in my opinion.
How do you know what's good for me? That's my opinion!
And those are my thoughts on the Telfar shopping bag. Thank you again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and thumbs up button. Both of those things will really help me out and I'd really appreciate it. And that's all I got for you guys today. So, stay on fleek, friends.